Let's prepare a summer mocktail with me. Stay tuned.
This is so refreshing. These are the caviars blasting in my mouth. Do try this recipe. Finally reconnect. I think there is some problem in Facebook today. Don't know. So if anybody cannot watch this live from Facebook, you can always check Madhurima's Kitchen in Instagram. You can see the live. And first of all, let me show you something. Today I think you saw a photo of this one. So let me show you very clear look. This is not actually watermelon, but this is a soap, watermelon soap. So this is handmade and this is goat milk soap. If anybody wants to place me order, you can always order me. Just take a screenshot from Facebook or Instagram and just send me the DM. You can always check Maddie B or Madhurima's Kitchen in Google. You can get the WhatsApp or calling number and you can place the order. But I have when I posted in Instagram and Facebook, especially in Instagram, when I posted this, people actually liked it, but unfortunately I got so many requests. People are asking me, I will do the collab, send me the products. It is not possible for me. You know, when you are going to a shop, you see a soap, you always buy the soap and then you use it, right? So I am also investing a good fortune over here, good amount you can say. So I cannot give it to you free of cost. It's not possible. Yes, if you are ordering me 50 to 60 pieces, then I can definitely, you don't have to ask me for any free gift. I'll definitely give you because you are my valuable customer. But without placing order, if you're asking me discount, if you're asking me like give me the free product, I will do your promotion. It is not possible for me. I am doing this candle business and soap business. It's not very new. It's from 2021 21 end. I am doing the soap business, but right now I am in online and people can actually see the soap. And the candle I am doing it since 2003. So I got request from everybody, আমাদের candle শেখাতে হবে. Like it is not possible. Please leave it to the experts. When you are going to a restaurant, you are not going to the chef for each and every food item, and you are not asking the person that give me the recipe or I'll give you remuneration and tell me how to do it. It is not possible. Obviously I will teach you some techniques. Every week I'm doing a live cooking session, as it's there is a problem of gas problem and there is a problem of so many things, so that's why I cannot cook right now, and it's summer basically. So you see in my kitchen it's I'm sweating like anything, so in live I cannot sweat like this and I cannot do it. So today I'm going to prepare a summer drink. Basically it's caviar rosali. So I already prepared the caviar and after that I'm making the summer drink. It's very simple, you don't need much ingredients. And how to prepare the caviar. So again you will ask me, please show me how to do the prepare the caviar. So every week basically on Monday or sometimes any other day, I always post recorded video in YouTube. Some of the videos are very long, so it is not possible to do it in live at least 8 hours or 5 hours, because preparing the caviar it will take at least 5 to 6 hours. So it is not possible. So I will cut short, I will record the step and then I will share it in YouTube. So for the if the recipe is long one or you have to work more, so I will post it in my YouTube channel, that is Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. And right now the pop-up is going on in Madhurima's Kitchen. Summer vacation is here and 25th to 30th May there is street food pop-up is going on. Today I think you saw that one video of that bhel puri, so please don't ask me the recipe. You can always order. Every recipe cannot be shared. I have to earn also na. So this is my profession, cooking and sell food. That is my profession. So I'm already teaching you so many recipes. I don't know how many you are trying this recipe. From last year I started the live. Almost every week I do the live session, and in Facebook in YouTube every week I shared so many recipes around the world. So you can always try that, and some of the pop-up and everything, please leave it to me. You have to order me. So let's go for the recipe, and there will be the surprise in the end of this session. So flip. I think people will enjoy this session definitely, and at the same time end of the cooking session, you will definitely have a surprise which you are not expecting. Obviously, when it's from Madhurima's kitchen or in Maddie B, you can expect the unexpected thing. Here, I think it's visible. So it's a summer drink, that is caviar Rosalie. So we have this kind of glass, any kind of glass you can use it, which is available. And here I have lemon juice. Let me show you the lemon juice. It's around 2 lemon. If you don't want that much, so you can use less, 1 tablespoon or teaspoon. So this is plain sugar syrup. I'm not using sugar powder, but I'm using something else. And this is sugar syrup. That I guess rose syrup. Yeah. Did I say sugar syrup? I don't know. I cannot rewind that. This is the funniest part of the live. You cannot rewind what you have already said. So wait. This is the rose syrup. Any brand you can use. And this is sugar syrup. Any brand you can use. And here goes my teeny caviars. This is rose caviar. I prepare with rose water, rose syrup, and agar agar, the veg version, and water definitely. I have some ice cubes over here, and again my specialty, these ice cubes are made with coconut water, and I'm going to use some soda, plain soda. So let's start with the recipe. First, I will pour this lemon juice and then sugar syrup around what I can say, I'm using almost 1.5 teaspoon. I have a straw, but it can work as a spoon also. And then little bit of caviar over here. See, it's floating. And now soda. See, the caviar is floating. It looks very nice. And now I will add some ice. So if you don't have the coconut water, you can use normal water and make ice. I love the taste of coconut water because I bought it in an affordable price. Basically it's 75, but I got it in 50 rupees. That's why I'm using that. And now again I will use some soda, little bit of soda, and here goes the tricks. I will add the soda here with the rose syrup. And now here goes the rose syrup with soda. You can see 2 layers. Basically, let me show you. You can see the layer. If you are using sugar syrup, then only, because sugar syrup is thick, then only you can create the layer. Otherwise, you cannot create the layer. And now I will finish it off with caviar, the rose caviar basically. The recipe is very simple, right? But yet very tasty. So let me show you how it looks like. If you want the pink version, use less rose syrup. So it will look like this. And you can enjoy it. You can sip it and you can enjoy it. So again, you have to talk to me. See my face. After all, I did some makeup, right? Just joking. I don't use much makeup because I don't like and I don't have either. Okay. So here goes the caviar Rosalie. Isn't it nice? So one more thing. Let me have a sip. It's very refreshing in summer. So people are asking me that I always do the pop-up every month. I do two pop-up. So people are asking me why don't I do the sit and eat option. I don't have sit or eat option, or do I have any plan like that? So let me tell you, basically I had that sit and eat option. That is before lockdown, but the problem is that I am not staying in a very big place. Basically I was doing this pop-up since 2015 I guess. So let me tell you one thing. So first pop-up I did outside of my house, actually my friend's house, and the pop-up was sold. There was 15 to 16 people was there, so my age was I was younger, so I can cook a lot. And obviously that time I have the helper also. My friends made they have 2-3 maids, so they helped me in prepare, because 15 to 16 people, and the pop-up was going on. So it was first pop-up was great, and then I did the second pop-up. But when I somebody was there, a lady, she spoke to me very nicely and she got to know my menu. And after that, on a same day, just one day before the pop-up, she created a pop-up, and she actually hired catering service, and she sent invitation to the people who already came to my pop-up, because I was very new in that business that time. So maximum food was wasted, and so it was a big loss for me, and it was a big lesson for me. So people just went to her pop-up. It was through social media that time. Facebook was there, and there are so many food groups, so I left the food group and all. So I really felt bad that she was almost same menu, just name was Idharudhar, and then my pop-up was gone. Already everything is cooked, everything is done. So somehow we managed, because my friend and her husband, they invited some of their friends, colleagues basically, and they said that this thing happened, what you will do? So they said okay, no problem, we will come to your place, and they paid. Definitely they paid, and it was supposed to be wasted. It was not wasted, but so it was happened. And then I started the sit and eat option at my home. But I am not living in a big place. People think that I already earn 50 to 60,000 a month. Please, no, I am not like that. And I'm not living in a huge place. I am living in a flat, because previously it was home, and right now it's flat. So when people used to come to my place, it was a chaotic situation. Like my parents had to be in one room. They have to stay in one room, because it's not possible that my profession is my profession. I cannot involve them. They cannot come and they can talk to them. It's their decision, and obviously it's my decision too. That it is not possible. They are not comfortable. And when people are coming, they are making my place really very dirty. Once they go away, we have to clean a lot. And lastly, what happened? There was some friends, some ladies group was there. They did the eyebrow bhat. They said that that was the last sit and eat was there in my place. So they said that 4 to 5 people will come. They paid everything. Everything is done from my side. And once they come, they started that eyebrow bhat ritual, which I said it is not possible. And one more thing, my place is not AC. So sit and eat here, it's not possible. And what happened that time? They came and they started the ritual. Like I never seen যে বাঙালিদের যেটা আইবুড়ো ভাত হয়, যে বন্ধুরা আইবুড়ো ভাতে এসে ওইসব রিচুয়াল করে, বরণ করে, আমি সেটা দেখিনি personally. And I strictly said fire is not allowed, smoking and drinking is not allowed. But unfortunately this আমি যখন খাবারটা আনতে গেছি, because I will serve and then I will go away, because they can sit and eat whatever they want to do. I always give the space to them. So আমার কার্পেটের উপর প্রদীপে তেল পড়ে যায়, and কার্পেটটা পুড়ে যায়, and they did not pay anything for that. They said I am sorry, হয়ে গেছে. I said কি it is not possible. And again টাইমের একটা ব্যাপার থাকে, যে যেই টাইমটা দেওয়া হয় সেই টাইমে কেউ আসছে না, বা টাইমের পরে থেকে যাচ্ছে। আমাদেরও তো রেস্ট লাগে, বিকজ উই আর প্রিপেয়ারিং দ্য ফুড। এরকম না যে আমার হাউস হেল্প আছে যে আমাকে ফুড তৈরি করতে হেল্প করবে। So it is a problem. That's why we have decided যে pop-up আমরা করবো, definitely pop-up করবো। And once the lockdown started, আমি যে লাস্ট ঘটনাটা বললাম, যে আর কার্পেটটা আমার মা বাবার খুব পছন্দ ছিল। They bought it basically. They did not say anything. They said কি accident, but and then চিৎকার করে কথা বলা and all, আশেপাশের লোকজনেরও বিরক্ত কিন্তু হয়ে যেতে পারে। কেউ কমপ্লেন করে না, ইটস আই এম ভেরি লাকি যে কেউ কমপ্লেন করেনি, কিন্তু করতেও তো পারে। সো অনেক কিছু মাথায় রেখে এটা, হ্যাঁ আউটসাইড অফ কলকাতা এই কনসেপ্টটা আছে যে বাড়িতে লোক আসছে অ্যান্ড দেন পপ আপে খাচ্ছে, বাট তার জন্য অনেকটা বড় স্পেস দরকার হয়। অ্যান্ড দেন এই যে লিটার বা নোংরা করা, স্মোক করা, বারণ করার পরেও স্মোক করা, অ্যালকোহল কেউ আনে না, বাট স্মোক করা, এই জিনিসগুলো আমার পার্সোনালি স্মোকিংয়ে খুব মানে প্যাসিভ স্মোকিং হলেও আমি ওখান থেকে উঠে চলে যাই, বাট আমার বাড়িতে আমি কোথায় যাব, আমি যখন বারণ করে দিই যে আমার খুব প্রবলেম হয়। তো দ্যাটস ওয়াই আমি এটা ঠিক করেছি কি হ্যাঁ ইউ ক্যান গেট দ্য গুড ফুড, এটা বেটার হয় যে নিজেদের কমফর্ট জোনে থেকে খাওয়া। দ্যাটস ওয়াই এখন যখন চলছে পপ আপটা, তো প্রত্যেকেই খুব খুশি খুশি নিয়ে চলে যাচ্ছে, নিজেদের জায়গায় বসে খাচ্ছে। বেশ কলেজ স্টুডেন্টরা যারা পিজিতে থাকে তারা ওখানে খাচ্ছে, বা ফ্যামিলি যারা থাকছে স্পেশাল ডেজে যারা অর্ডার করছে তারা নিজেদের বাড়িতে নিয়ে বন্ধু বান্ধব নিয়ে খাচ্ছে, অকেশনে খাচ্ছে। সো ইট ইজ লাইক দ্যাট। সো এই কারণেই আমি বাড়িতে যে সিট অ্যান্ড ইট, এই কারণে আমি করি না যে ইট ইজ নট পসিবল। আমাদের মানে আমার মা বাবারও বয়স হচ্ছে, তো তাদেরও একটা প্রাইভেসি থাকে। অলরেডি আমার এত কিছু উৎপাত সহ্য করে যে এভরি উইকে মান্থে দুবার করে পপ আপ হচ্ছে, আর এক একটা পপ আপ 6 ডেজ করে হয়। সানডে আমার অফ থাকে বেসিক্যালি। সো 6 ডেজ করে পপ আপ হয়, তারপরে যে আমি লাইভ করি সেখানেও তারা এই পেছন দিকটা যা অবস্থা হয়ে থাকে এটা আমার মা ক্লিন করে। তারপরে যদি আমি পপ আপটা সিট অ্যান্ড ইট করি, ইটস নেক্সট টু ইম্পসিবল। সো ইটস নট পসিবল। অ্যান্ড লাস্টলি আমি নেক্সট যেটা করবো, আমার কাছে প্রচুর রিকোয়েস্ট আসে কি যে ক্যান্ডেল মেকিং শেখানোর জন্য। সো ইয়েস, আই উইল ডু ওয়ান লাইভ ভেরি সুন, আইদার নেক্সট উইক অর তারপরের উইকে আমি যেটা লাইভ করবো সেটা হবে ক্যান্ডেল মেকিং। প্লিজ স্টে টিউন অ্যান্ড লার্ন। আমি ওখানে বেশ কিছু টিপস অ্যান্ড ট্রিক্স বলবো, আর ক্যান্ডেল মেকিংয়েরও অনেক কিছু ব্যাপার আছে সেটাও আমি বলবো। ইট উইল বি মানে একটু বড়ই হবে। সো নেক্সট উইক অর আফটার নেক্সট উইক there will be in June there will be live candle making, and you don't have to pay for that. It will be a free class like that. You have to pay to your Wi-Fi, whatever you are using, to that service provider, not to me. So stay tuned and keep ordering food because pop-up is going on. Keep looking at Madhurima's Kitchen. That is Google, Facebook, Instagram. In Google and Facebook, Madhurima's Kitchen, you will get the menu and you can place order. And as I said that there will be another version. This soap, summer soap, you can always order. You can DM me, but please don't do that. Stop bargaining. It's not done. We also work hard. We have to invest a lot. You can check about the raw materials, that how much it will cost to buy a raw material. So it's not expensive. I always try to be a pocket, sell food or candle or soap in a pocket friendly price. So next week, or in June, see you in the live candle making class. Bye.
In summer, try this caviar rosary at home.